How to find return label on Shein. If you'd like to return something from Shein and you're still within your 45-day return window, follow these steps to find the return label, get your items safely back to Shein and receive a full refund. Step 1. Log into your Shein account. Use the email and password you entered when making your purchase. If you forgot your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password and follow the steps. You can also log into Shein from your Google, Facebook or Apple ID. Step 2. Click on the message icon in the upper left corner and click on Orders. Select the order of the items that you would like to return. The order detail page will be displayed. Step 3. Click on Return Item. This is where you can find the return label on Shein app. This tab is located at the bottom of the order detail page. Step 4. Select the items that you wish to return. On the left of the item that you wish to return, there is a small circle. Click on it. Step 5. Select Reason for Return. Indicate the reason for your return by selecting one of the listed options. Step 6. Upload pictures of your items. Uploading pictures is required for some of the options that you indicate in the Reason for Return menu. When selecting an option for indicating the reason for your return, you will see photos are requested when applying for return written in red. If you do not see it, then uploading pictures is optional. Step 7. Click Next Step, then a message will remind you to add all items to the return list to avoid extra fees. Click OK to proceed to the return application page. Step 8. Click on Refund Method, then select either the Shein wallet, which processes in 24 hours and can only be used for future purchases, or the original payment account, which takes 1 to 5 days to be refunded to your bank. Step 9. Choose your return method, either Post Office or UPS Store. If you select Post Office, use the USPS label option. For UPS Store, you can choose either a UPS label or a QR code. Step 10. Click Submit. After submitting, you'll receive the label or QR code and a confirmation email. And that's basically how to find return label on Shein and return your order with a refund payment. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.